Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to find your wallet address on Dex-Trade. To find your wallet address on Dex-Trade, launch open your Dex-Trade application and log in using your username and password. After you are inside the home page of Dex-Trade, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right hand corner. Now, tap on the deposit button at the top right and then go to the top of the screen and tap on the little BTC drop-down. From here, you can select a cryptocurrency that you want to find the deposit address or the wallet address for. Scroll through the menu and choose any one cryptocurrency. After you do that, you will be able to see your deposit address or your wallet address displayed at the bottom of the screen. Each cryptocurrency has a different deposit address. The wallet address is usually a string of letters and numbers, which you can copy by tapping on the copy button right next to the wallet address. Once the wallet address is displayed, you can copy it and use for transferring funds into your Dex-Trade account. Simply share your deposit address to someone that you are trying to receive cryptocurrency from. You can also let them scan this QR code and send you instant funds for the chosen cryptocurrency. So that is how you easily find your wallet address, or in other words, deposit address on Dex-Trade account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.